In this video, I'll explain how to use the Hisense remote control of your soundbar. I'll explain every button, what it does, so you know better and enjoy all the features that are available. So let's get started by the top. So over here, obviously, we have the power button. By pressing this power button, we can turn on the soundbar, or if you press it again, you'll put it in standby mode. The Hisense soundbars do not have an off mode, so to say. It's actually just standby mode, which means that you're gonna see a light on the corner of your soundbar, or sometimes it will say standby on the screen. Then this button over here, this is the source selector. So by clicking here, you'll be able to change between HDMI, optical, Bluetooth, depending what you have connected to your soundbar. So if let's say you're using your soundbar with your TV that has an optical cable, well, by clicking this, you'll be able to select optical. And then if in the future you switch it to HDMI by clicking this button, you'll be able to select your source this way. Then we have this button over here, SURR. This is for surround sound. By clicking here, we turn surround sound on and off. And what does it mean? It's simply that your Hisense soundbar will process the sound to make it feel like surround sound. Then we have the Bluetooth button on the top. The Bluetooth button is to select Bluetooth mode, obviously, but if you keep it pressed, you'll enter in Bluetooth pairing. So keep it pressed, then you're gonna hear Bluetooth pairing. Take your phone, take your laptop, whatever device you want to pair, maybe even your TV, and you'll be able to select your Hisense soundbar. This way it will be paired. Now we also have an EQ button. By pressing the EQ button,
music, movie,
you see,
news, game,
you will be able to switch between predefined EQs. Obviously, it's better just to turn on some music or turn on your favorite show and press the EQ button and try to hear which one sounds the best. It's really it's a thing that you need to try to see if it's actually worth, or which one of these EQ settings is useful. In the middle, we have a button with the volume up and down, very easy. Fast forward or go backwards, depending. Let's say you're listening through Bluetooth and you want to skip that song, press once on this right button. If you want to go back, do that, very easy. And finally, we have these buttons to customize the sound you hear. So you can press the EQ button to customize your sound, but you can also go even further by adding bass, okay, by pressing this plus button and minus button to add or subtract bass. You have trebles if you want to add or remove trebles. And finally, we have dimmer. Dimmer is not for the sound, it's actually for the LEDs. Now this soundbar has some LEDs over here. So with this plus and minus buttons, you'll be able to make them brighter or lower the brightness in case, let's say, it's at nighttime and you don't want to get annoyed by the LED of your soundbar. And finally, last button, we have a mute button. It will mute anything that is coming out of it. Yeah, that's pretty practical as well. So this is about it. There's no other buttons on the sides. Over here, we just have the battery compartment with 2 AAA batteries, and this is about it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, but also leave a comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.